Masquerade Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanka kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquerade Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya irikupisa nyaya imwana wa the late Vice President Vake Mphoko anonzi Stokotela Mphoko uyo wanikwa Oramba Kuviga baba Vake their Douglas plot in Bulawayo muri Zimbabwe zvirunzi chiitiko chakonzereswa nekuda kwemasiku series of controversies aitika nemabanking issues aitika kumba kwa Mphoko zvirunzi vari kunetsandirana nyaya yepercentage the choppies business muri Zimbabwe zvinzi zvakare nekusungiswa kwakaitwa last year mwana wa Mphoko nemaraping allegations anzi asvika pakuramba kuviga baba vake haana kuto attend the burial ya baba vake muri Zimbabwe. Akataura iye achiti baba vake amai vake pamwechete ne2 sisters zake vanga vari behind the false charges akapomerwa ekurepa, so awanikwa achiramba kuattenda the burial ya baba vake. Nyaya ino yakaburitswa nethe Newsworks vachitaura ivo vachiti the late Vice President Vake Mpoko's son Stokotela did not attend his father's burial at their Douglas plot in Bulawayo. Yesterday due to a series of controversies and acrimonious and burning issues, including a family feud over his percentage, business disputes, and a major fallout which led to his arrest last year on allegations of raping his niece, charges on which he was later acquitted. Stokotela has publicly said his father and his family, wife and 2 sisters were behind the false charges and his arrest. In 2018, Stokotela and his wife Nomagugu were also arrested for allegedly ordering 15 Choppies supermarket managers in Bulawayo to unlawfully dispense over 30,000 cash from their point of sale machines after threatening them with their deportation as they were from Botswana or dismissal. The charges also collapsed. Due to this and many other contentious issues, Mphoko and his son descended into irreconcilable differences and their relationship irretrievably broken down. Mphoko left a family legacy of ruins. Tawabuditsirwa wakati wa nyaya nethe Newsworks muri Zimbabwe tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Ndifunga vakange vabuda zvakare vachiexplaina in detail kuparara kwanga kwaita family yaMphoko zvinzi papasina unit in a post yavakataura ivo vachiti Mphoko leaves family legacy of ruins. Apart from his contribution to Zimbabwe's liberation struggle and becoming vice president, the late Vake Mphoko leaves behind a family legacy of ruins, divisions and toxicity which will linger on for years after he is gone. Mphoko has left his family deeply divided and at war. His son was not talking to him and is not talking to his mother and 2 sisters. Mphoko is survived by his wife Lorinda and 3 children as well as several grandchildren. However, a cloud of bitter fallout envelops the family engulfed in a deadly feud over parentage, business or money, and in fighting which led to arrests at the height of acrimony. The war situation is dramatic. It gets worse. Mpoko's son no longer believes Lorinda is his mother. His father said she is, but he says he has discovered she is not. When Mphoko came to power as vice president in 2014, he was close to his son. They were always together and he was almost like his head of security or protocol. However, as time went by, they fiercely clashed over Choppies supermarket chain ownership and money. As the squabble deteriorated, it led to the arrest of Mpoko's son and his wife Nomagugu in 2018, facing fraud and extortion charges respectively. Nomagugu was arrested for allegedly ordering 15 Choppies supermarket managers in Bulawayo to unlawfully dispense over 30,000 cash from their point-of-sale machines after threatening them with either deportation or dismissal. Chief Executive Officer Ramachandran Opatu later withdrew the fraud and extortion charges against Mphoko's son and his wife. The Mphokos also went to court fighting for Choppies control and associated money. Later year, Mphoko's son was arrested and faced 3 counts of raping a minor who is his relative, 1 count of escaping from lawful custody. He pleaded not guilty to all the counts, but was convicted on all 4 counts after a full trial. The 3 counts of rape were taken as one for purposes of sentence, and a 20-year term of imprisonment was imposed. On the 4th count, Mphoko's son received a 2-month jail term, which was ordered to run concurrently with the sentence of 20 years imprisonment imposed on the rape counts. However, Mphoko's son was later acquitted on appeal, yet his relationship with his father had already been damaged irretrievably. Mphoko's son was specifically not included in his father's will. On the Mphekezela Mphoko Foundation preamble, it is specified that Mphoko's son is excluded by name. The preamble says Lorinda takes over when Mphoko dies, and if she goes, her daughter's son will take over. As Mphoko returns home in a casket from India for burial at Heroes Eka in Harare, he lives behind a deeply divided family, bitterness and pain among them. Mphoko's son will not even attend his own father's funeral, a tragic ending to their relationship. Bulawayo Provincial Affairs and Devolution Minister Judith Nywe said on Tuesday during a church service held at Family's home in Douglasdale suburb, Bulawayo, Mphoko's body will arrive tomorrow in Harare. From there, it will be taken to Bulawayo and back to Harare for burial. However, his family says Mphoko asked to be buried at his home, not at Heroes Eka in Harare. Whatever happens on that, one thing is certain: Mphoko left a family legacy of devastating ruins. Ndamabuditiro akatwanya iyi murezi Zimbabwe the newsworks tisikaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya yetu dzezvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.